In a blatant abuse of power, Union Minister Adhir Chaudhary led a bloodthirsty mob and vandalized the district magistrate's office in his home turf of Murshidabad. And the Minister of State for Railways remains unrepentant. Here you can see the Union Minister atop a jeep unleashing a mob on the streets, goading his supporters to go on their rampage, masterminding a riot outside the DM's office. His supporters can be seen running amok, vandalizing the office, wrecking the DM's car, even as Adhir Chaudhary stands and instructs his men. The Behrampur DM fortunately was not in his office. The policemen on duty were outnumbered by Congress workers who pelted stones and ransacked the DM's office. As outrage sweeps the nation, will Sonia Gandhi and the Prime Minister take note and sack the Minister of State for Railways? The Trinamool has reacted with anger.
After seeing the different clippings in different televisions, including local and national, I feel this incident is not only unfortunate, unwanted, but particularly this incident in Behrampur, it has carried a special message to the administration.
Here you can see images of Adhir Chaudhary, the Honorable Minister of State for Railways, and I just want to stay quiet for a moment for you to fully absorb what the minister did. Take a look at these pictures because the pictures tell their own story. Just a short while before now, we spoke to the Minister of State for Railways, Adhir Chaudhary, who remains completely unrepentant, unapologetic. Listen to the Minister try and justify his actions.
Go across to Mr. Adhir Chaudhary. He is, of course, the Union Minister. At the center of all of this, Mr. Chaudhary, we don't know what to be more shocked at, the undiluted arrogance or the gross abuse of power, Mr. Chaudhary.
I am simply being startled of listening your observation on me. But the fact is that I was there only to subside the rage of the agitationists. If you, just try to find out your visual that is under your position, that I think you will find it out. That I was there standing on a jeep trying to pacify the rage of the common people. And that DM Bungalow.
No, sir. So from the eyewitnesses we've spoken to, Mr. Chaudhary.
Just listen to me. The DM Bungalow, it is a fortified area. It is encircled by a wall and erected steel. So nobody was entered inside the premises, and it was under lock and key. Nobody was entered.
Let me just point out, sir. Let me point out what several eyewitnesses have said, Mr. Chaudhary. Several eyewitnesses have said that yes, you intervened, but you also gave a 30-minute ultimatum to the magistrate to receive the memorandum, threatening a bigger agitation. That's what they're saying. Are you going to deny that? We have pictures of you standing there and almost directing this mob.
Just listen to me. District Collector of Murshidabad District was approached month earlier.
Yes.
To give a date.
Yes.
For a deputation.
Yes.
And after obtaining his concurrence, 2 days rally was held in protest to a custodial.
Sir, I'm asking you a simple, straightforward question. You're on camera. You're on camera. You've been caught on camera directing this mob. Now let me ask you a simple and straightforward question. Will you hand over, if you say that you were pacifying Congress workers, will you hand them over to the authorities so that action can be taken against these individuals?
See, if it is so, then first action should be taken against me. Along with that, I should also be appreciated by the concerned authorities, because because I was the only person there in charge of the district who tried his level best to pacify the agitation. But the fact that the entire
So if you have failed in your duty, should you not step down? If you have failed in your duty, sir, should you not step down? The law is very clear. Any individual obstructing a public servant's duty should be prosecuted under the law.
Public servant's duty. I have never obstructed any public servant's duty because that public servant gave his concurrence to be.
Sir, the facts are very different. Mr. Chaudhary, the facts are very, very different. I will only ask you this. Why don't you hand over some of these workers who resorted to this most venal form of intimidation? Intimidating a public servant in the conduct of his duties is a crime. Why don't you hand over these individuals?
See, I am not here to be exhorted by you and to listen your homilies. Rather, I would do whatever I think correct in a democratic manner.
So what is correct in a democratic manner would be to comply with the law and hand over these individuals.
Yes,
what's so wrong about that?
I was very much in compliance with law. And according to the law,
but the people under you weren't, sir. But the people under you weren't, and as a public servant,
the concurrence that was received from the
no, but sir, as a public servant, it is your moral obligation. Under your,
they are not to accept our deputation.
As a public servant,
they are not.
No, sir. As a public servant, Mr. Chaudhary, as a public servant, it's your moral duty to hand over those that are violating the law. You're a lawmaker. You're not a lawbreaker.
Yes. But the law would be executed by the administration. If anybody violates the law, the police will take action. No problem.
So will the police take action? Will the police take action, sir, in your constituency, in your district, when this is what you do to individuals who want to uphold the law? When they see these pictures, do you think anyone will have the guts?
Nobody is there to violate the law, but under the situation. The situation provoked by the district collector, and which
Mr. Chaudhary, the story is not going to go away.
A huge anger among the common workers, and I was there
to fan it. You were there to fan the anger, weren't you, sir? You were there to fan the anger. You were there to fan the anger, sir. You were there to incite these people. You weren't actually asking them to restrain themselves.
Don't misinterpret and don't try to malign ourselves.
Sir,
I was never trying to incite
several
anybody.
Eyewitnesses has come forward.
Don't malign me. No, you don't have any authority to malign me.
Mr. Chaudhary, I am asking you a straightforward question. As a public servant, as a responsible public servant, Mr. Chaudhary, I am asking you a straightforward question.
You can utter anything as you like.
Mr. Chaudhary, I am asking you a straightforward question. If you feel that you are being wrong, if you feel mountain out of a molehill, sir, this is not a molehill. This is a riot. You have led, or at least alleged to have led, a large number of citizens to break the law.
Only to submit our deputation.
Right.
I think it is within the ambit of our democratic right to submit the deputation.
But not to resort to violence, sir. Not to resort to violence.
No kind of violence was resorted there.
Well, sir, the pictures speak for themselves, Mr. Chaudhary. Either the camera is lying.
And if you are defining it as a vandalism,
So what is, the pictures are self-evident, they speak for themselves.
I just know the vandalism.
The pictures are self-evident. This is vandalism.
So if it is vandalism, police may take its own legal action.
Mr. Chaudhary, when the police know that your supporters are going to resort to violence in this way, who's going to take action? Who's going to uphold the law?
Police is in charge of protecting law. They are at liberty to take legal action against me. Who has registered themselves?
So after having seen this, will the police have the guts to proceed against you? Because they know that your supporters will target them, will lynch them.
If the police do not have the guts, then they should go to hell.
So this is hardly the talk of an individual who's a member of parliament, especially of the Indian parliament. Hundreds and thousands of viewers are listening in today to Headlines Today broadcast, and they're hearing a union minister, MOS for railways, justifying bullying tactics. That's what they'll come away with, Mr. Chaudhary.
comply with your TRP.
Sir, I'm sorry, but it's very regrettable that you're making.
That was Adhir Chaudhary. He says the police can go to hell. Here's a minister in the union government caught on camera leading a mob. Joining us for reaction from Trinamool Congress at this time is Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, Member of Parliament from Mamata's party. Ms. Dastidar, do you think the Prime Minister and Mrs. Gandhi should immediately ask Mr. Chaudhary to step down because he's been caught on camera instigating and leading a mob?
That is the prerogative of that particular political party.
Yes.
So how can I comment about affairs of a separate party? What I can say is that people who are bankrupt as far as political ideology is concerned will take recourse to different aspects which are anti-democracy. So people can see it for themselves. What do I have to comment?
No, but the minister says he was trying to rein in the mob. Now, you've seen these pictures yourself. Do you think from anywhere in these pictures it seems that he could be trying to rein in the mob, or do you think because he's been caught on camera, now he's just trying to find some way of getting away?
Well, people in different political parties, including the person in question that you're talking about, is known for their anti-democratic activities and hooliganism. So it is not for me to say. People can see it for themselves.
No, because he's also saying, madam, that this is being done by the Trinamool because the administration has created circumstances which has caused this anger to build up. It is as a consequence of that that this mob got violent. That's the defense that the ministers put out.
It is the attitude, it is the political insight, and it is the educational status of people who come to the position of leadership. Whatever happens, whatever instigation is there, the political leadership should be calm and they should control mobs, they should control unruly crowd, and they should let peace prevail and administration do their work.
Okay, will action be taken against Mr. Chaudhary by the Trinamool government for having led this mob? What does the West Bengal government intend to do about this?
So that is for the Home Ministry to decide, the officers to decide. I am not part of it, so I cannot forecomment what is going to happen in future.
Alright, I'm going to leave it over there. Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar for joining us with your reaction to Adhir Chaudhary being caught on camera. Well, the minister cannot get away by saying that he didn't lead this mob or he was trying to rein them in. The pictures are self-evident. They tell their own story.